My two newest editions. This is a 1966. This is a 67. 66 has got the foot pads. 67's got the footrest. This one, the transmission's blown. I bought them for parts. That 67's really solid engine. I think I can get running body panels because my Moline, you know, it's rough. So that will be parts for the Moline. It's got the plow bracket. Came with a mower deck. I got two mower decks with this package. Both came with cigarette lighters, which is kind of nice. Got battery boxes, dust covers. And I got a rear lift. Rear lift is going to go on my white. This one, battery cover. Again, I got the lighter. This one came with headlights. And that one's going to be parts for my junkyard Moline. So slowly getting everything packed in here for winter. I got a bunch more coming. We're going to be installing double doors in the basement so I can get all my bigger tractors in. DeVere, Bush Hog, Troy-Bilt GTX, all that fun stuff. There's a little Ford 80. Well, I'll do a quick one. There's a 67 Jake 800, 66 Jake 800, 66 Ford 80, 67 Moline, 65 Ford T1000, 65 T800, 65 T1000, 65 T1000, and this one's a 67 Moline. I have two more T's coming. I got white coming. I'm going to go pick up a Wagner next weekend. So I got a bunch of stuff to clean up. There's a transmission seat housing for a T1000, motor deck, Massey Executive 24, real mower, Cub deck. And I still have a whole bunch of parts from that machine shop that I bought out. And once I get a double door installed, I need to start insulating, sheetrocking, because I have another room full of crap. There's another room I can fill full of crap. I need to set up my shop, so that's where I'm at.